Now today's question is, can we beat the Mr.Beast bot without a queen? We're gonna see how that goes. I'm just gonna play d4. It's really funny playing d4 without the queen being on d1, but okay. Anyways, I'm gonna play knight f3 here, just developing. He plays c6. Maybe he's gonna go with d5, but we'll see. I'm just going to develop my bishop to g2. He plays d5, yeah, I'm gonna play bishop to g2. Knight to d7, so far so good. He's actually playing pretty well now. I'm gonna castle, he's gonna play bishop to e7. Yeah, if he doesn't blunder anything, then it's gonna be pretty hard for us to win. We're gonna play b3 here, trying to develop our bishop to b2. He plays knight f6. And the problem now is that usually you want to jump to e5 with your knight, because there the knight is a really nice and centralized piece. Now the problem here is that he can just take the knight, and if we exchange a lot of pieces, he's gonna be left with a queen against nothing, you know? So that's why I'm not gonna play this here. That's the only reason, basically. And I'm just going to play knight to d2. Okay, he castled. Let's play c4. Striking at the center. He played queen to a5. Let's go for rook to d1 here. He played rook to e8. And I'm just gonna play e3 now. Okay, he went back with the rook. That's an interesting plan for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna play a3 now. Trying to go for b4 probably. Okay, he moves the queen. He sees that coming. Now, if we had a queen, of course, we would have some plans of knight e5 or just playing e4, just putting a lot of pressure on his center. But now, since we don't have a queen, what are we going to do? Let's play bishop to f1, just threatening to take something in case he doesn't see it. Okay, he doesn't see it. I'm just gonna take here, attacking the queen. He moves the queen. I'm gonna play b4, chasing the queen. Okay, you didn't see that. I'm gonna play e4 here, just attacking the queen. If he takes, my idea was to play bishop to c4, attacking the queen, and now this guy just falls. And okay, he also gives us the queen. I'm not gonna complain, you know, because we want to win, of course. But yeah, this this was just terrible from him. Okay, he played b5. Let's move the bishop away. He played rook to e8, just giving us another pawn here. He attacks our bishop. Let's play rook to c1, defending it. And now I think we should already be better. You see, the material is equal. We have better rooks, of course. This rook is very strange here on b6. Not sure what it's doing. But yeah, it's true that we have an isolated pawn, which could be a weakness. But we're probably gonna play d5 here. So this is not a problem. Yeah, let's just play d5 here. He took. And now, let's just take this with our bishop. He played... What? No, this can't be good, you see, because this rook is really weird here on b6, and we can just attack it with bishop to d4, I think. And the rook is going to fall. Let's play bishop to d4. Yeah, we can just take the rook now. We can also play knight to e7 here. I think this should be fine. Just attacking this bishop here, taking it in one move. Okay, he puts his knight here on c4, and this is a pretty good knight, but still we're in an exchange up, so we should be completely winning here. Let's just play rook to e1, trying to exchange some pieces. Now let's just play f4 and start taking everything. Okay, he just gives us the rook. And this should just be over. Okay, let's take the knight, take the bishop, and this is an easy win. Let's just finish him off. The only thing I can say about this game is that he should train a bit harder, you know, because this game was just terrible from him. So guys, if you like this, please drop a like, watch more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.